Are you tired of feeling sluggish and weighed down? Do you long for the energy and vitality you once had? Unlock a new you with Nagano Tonic, a revolutionary supplement designed to awaken your dormant metabolism and revitalize your life. Nagano Tonic isn't just another supplement. It's a carefully crafted formula, brimming with potent natural ingredients. This unique blend works synergistically to help you achieve lasting weight loss, boost your energy levels, and sharpen your mental clarity. It's time to say goodbye to fad diets and quick fixes that don't deliver. Nagano Tonic empowers you to take control of your health and well-being naturally and effectively. Experience the transformative power of Nagano Tonic and rediscover the best version of yourself. Nagano Tonic is more than just a weight loss supplement. It's a holistic approach to revitalizing your health. Imagine a product that not only helps you shed those extra pounds, but also enhances your overall well-being. That's what Nagano Tonic offers. It's designed to address the root cause of many common health concerns, a sluggish metabolism. By targeting this core issue, Nagano Tonic unlocks your body's natural ability to thrive and flourish. Picture yourself in a serene yoga session, feeling the calmness of nature around you, or meditating at sunrise, completely at peace. This is the kind of holistic health Nagano Tonic promotes. It's not just about losing weight, it's about achieving a balanced and healthy lifestyle. By addressing the root cause of many common health concerns, a sluggish metabolism, Nagano Tonic unlocks your body's natural ability to thrive. A well-functioning metabolism is crucial for overall health, and Nagano Tonic ensures that your body is working at its optimal level. Imagine a life where you wake up feeling refreshed and energized, ready to tackle the day. Whether it's stretching in bed with the morning sunlight streaming in or going for an early jog, Nagano Tonic makes this a reality. It converts stored fat into readily available energy, fueling your body and mind. Nagano Tonic makes this a reality by converting stored fat into readily available energy, fueling your body and mind. This means you can enjoy activities like drinking a healthy smoothie or going for a hike with newfound vigor and enthusiasm. But the benefits don't stop there. Nagano Tonic also supports healthy digestion, allowing your body to absorb nutrients more efficiently. This means you'll get more out of the foods you eat, further boosting your energy levels and overall well-being. Nagano Tonic also supports healthy digestion, allowing your body to absorb nutrients more efficiently. Imagine consulting with a nutritionist and enjoying a balanced meal, knowing that your body is making the most of every bite. This means you'll get more out of the foods you eat, further boosting your energy levels and overall well-being. Picture yourself feeling energized after a meal with a glowing complexion from eating fresh vegetables. That's the power of Nagano Tonic. With Nagano Tonic, you can finally break free from the cycle of fatigue and low energy and experience the full potential of a healthy, vibrant you. Imagine jumping with joy in a park or dancing in a sunny field, feeling the vibrancy and energy that comes from a well-nourished body. Nagano Tonic is your key to unlocking this potential. The power of Nagano Tonic lies in its unique blend of natural ingredients, each carefully selected for its potent health benefits. This tonic is more than just a supplement. It's a holistic approach to wellness, designed to support your body in multiple ways. These ingredients work in perfect harmony to create a symphony of wellness for your body. Imagine the tranquility of nature and the balance it brings, now encapsulated in a bottle. Mangosteen, known for its antioxidant properties, supports healthy weight management and promotes digestive balance. This tropical fruit is a powerhouse of nutrients that help cleanse your system and keep you feeling light and energetic. Ginseng, a renowned adaptogen, helps your body cope with stress while boosting energy and focus. This ancient root has been used for centuries to enhance mental clarity and physical endurance, making it a staple in traditional medicine. Ashwagandha, another powerful adaptogen, further combats stress and reduces unhealthy cravings, paving the way for sustainable weight loss. This herb is known for its ability to balance hormones and improve overall well-being. EGCG, derived from green tea, ignites your metabolism, transforming your body into a fat-burning machine. This potent compound not only aids in weight loss, but also enhances your workout performance and recovery. These are just a few of the star players in Nagano Tonic's all-natural lineup. Each ingredient is meticulously chosen to ensure maximum efficacy and synergy. Together, they create a powerful synergy that unlocks your body's innate ability to heal and thrive. By incorporating Nagano Tonic into your daily routine, you are not just taking a step towards better health, but embracing a lifestyle of vitality and balance. At the heart of Nagano Tonic's effectiveness lies its ability to awaken your dormant metabolism. Modern lifestyles filled with processed foods and sedentary habits often lead to a sluggish metabolic rate, making it difficult to lose weight and maintain energy levels. Nagano Tonic tackles this issue head-on. Its potent ingredients work synergistically to jumpstart your metabolism, transforming your body into a fat-burning powerhouse. This means you'll burn more calories throughout the day, even at rest. But it's not just about burning fat, it's about converting it into usable energy. Nagano Tonic helps your body unlock the energy stored in fat cells, providing you with a sustained and natural energy boost that lasts. Say goodbye to the afternoon slump and embrace a life filled with vitality and drive. Section 5. Real People, Real Results. The transformative power of Nagano Tonic is best illustrated through the experiences of real people who have incorporated it into their lives. These individuals come from all walks of life, each with their own unique challenges and goals. Yet they all share one thing in common: the remarkable benefits they've gained from using Nagano Tonic. Take Sarah, for example. As a busy mom of 2, she used to feel tired all the time, no matter how much sleep she got. I was constantly exhausted and it felt like I was running on empty, she shares. But after incorporating Nagano Tonic into her daily routine, Sarah noticed a significant change. Nagano Tonic has been a game changer, she says with a smile. I have so much more energy now and I'm finally losing the baby weight. It's like I have a new lease on life. Then there's John, a retired accountant who struggled with brain fog and low energy. I used to feel so sluggish and unfocused, he recalls. Since taking Nagano Tonic, John has experienced a remarkable transformation. I feel sharper and more focused than I have in years, he says. I even have the energy to go for walks with my grandkids now. It's truly amazing. These are just a few of the countless success stories from people who have experienced the life-changing benefits of Nagano Tonic. From young professionals to retirees, the positive impact is undeniable. Their experiences are a testament to the power of this natural formula to unlock a healthier, more vibrant you. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, improve your focus, or simply feel better overall, Nagano Tonic can help you achieve your wellness goals. Section 6. Your daily ritual for transformation. Incorporating Nagano Tonic into your daily routine is simple and enjoyable. Just mix 1 scoop of this delicious citrus-flavored powder with water or your favorite beverage each morning. This easy ritual sets the tone for a day filled with energy and vitality. As you sip your Nagano Tonic, visualize its potent ingredients awakening your metabolism and revitalizing your cells. Consistency is key when it comes to experiencing the full benefits of Nagano Tonic. Make it a non-negotiable part of your morning routine and watch as your body transforms from the inside out. Remember, lasting change takes time and commitment. Embrace the journey and celebrate each milestone as you progress towards a healthier, more vibrant you. Section 7. Purity and quality assured. When it comes to your health, you deserve nothing but the best. That's why Nagano Tonic is crafted with the highest standards of purity and quality. Our formula is free from artificial stimulants, harmful chemicals, and common allergens like gluten, soy, and dairy. We believe in harnessing the power of nature without compromising your health or well-being. Nagano Tonic is proudly manufactured in the USA in an FDA-registered and GMP-certified facility. This means you can be confident that every batch meets the highest standards of safety and efficacy. Your health is our priority, and we're committed to providing you with a supplement you can trust. Section 8. Join the movement. You are not alone on your journey to wellness. Join a vibrant community of individuals who are committed to living their healthiest, most vibrant lives with Nagano Tonic. Share your story, connect with others, and find inspiration as you embark on this transformative journey. Together we can empower each other to unlock our full potential and embrace a life filled with energy and vitality. Use the hashtag #MyVitalityWellnessHub to share your progress, insights, and recipes with the community. Let's inspire each other to live our best lives one scoop at a time. Section 9. Your journey to wellness starts now. Don't wait another day to unlock the healthiest, most vibrant version of yourself. Try Nagano Tonic today and experience the transformative power of this revolutionary supplement. Visit our website to learn more and place your order. Your body will thank you. Remember, your health is an investment, not an expense. Invest in yourself and start your journey to wellness today.